12th Battalion, Sri Lanka Single Regiment, Special Art Fund Order, issued by the Commanding Officer, Lieutenant Colonel ANMTK Naragadara, RSP. Lieutenant Colonel PANA Pereira, RSP, USP. With an extreme feel of deep sorrow, sincerity, and wholehearted emotional sympathy, the Colonel of the regiment, all officers and other ranks expressed their sadness on the demise of Lieutenant Colonel P.A.N.A. Pereira, RSP, USP, 26 June 2020. Padura Arachige Neil Asenda Pereira was born to Mr. Padura Arachige Dharmanathan Pereira and Mrs. Inidya Aidangani Chandra Kumari Elbidia on 26 July 1972 in Teaching Hospital, Purunagala. He studied at St. Thomas College, Anuradhapura and Central College, Anuradhapura. Where he allowed his distinguished education, he had shown promising talent in many sports during his school career and was a dynamic character in all aspects. Asela Pereira decided to answer the call of the country and serve the motherland and nation, having enlisted in the Sri Lanka Army Regular Force as an officer cadet on 21st May 1993 and went through the training in Intake 6 Pakistan Military Academy. Upon completion of his successful military training, he was commissioned as a second lieutenant and posted to 10th Battalion Sri Lanka Single Regiment. Due to his dedication and commitment towards duties in all fields of military activities, he was promoted to the rank of lieutenant on 21st November 1996, captain on 21st November 1999, and major on 21st November 2003. His outstanding performance is rewarded his promotion to the rank of Lieutenant Colonel 3rd May 2011. The basis for his being clear-headed, logical and intelligent in task, again to his officer in improved from various courses he followed as Young Officer Course in Bangladesh, Battalion Support Weapon Course in India, Junior Command Course in India. The knowledge he gained from the courses he followed and the experience and acquired over the years enabled him to make a significant contribution to Sri Lanka Army. He imparted his knowledge and experience to his subordinate, thus contributing to the success of his regiment in particular and the Army in general. During Lieutenant Colonel Asela Pereira's distinguished 27 years military career, he has rendered invaluable services to Army and the nation by holding numerous appointments such as Officer Commanding 9th Battalion Sri Lanka Sinhala Regiment, Instructor Infantry Training Center, Operation and Training Officer 9th Battalion Sri Lanka Sinhala Regiment, Second in Command 9th Battalion Sri Lanka Sinhala Regiment, Commandant Recruit Training Center Kabul, Brigade Major 212 Brigade Headquarters, Staff Officer 1, 6th Division, Commanding Officer 23rd Battalion Sri Lanka Sinhala Regiment, Staff Officer 1, 5th Division. His sound military knowledge, dedication, and commitment to work, coupled with the gentleman qualities, with the characteristic help of his infantry officer in good state in performing duties at appointments he held, bringing credit to his regiment and to the Sri Lanka Army. Lieutenant Colonel Asera Pereira was a capable, effective military leader, blessed with professional competence to be looked upon as an example by his subordinate, especially for his heroic action in face of enemy in humanitarian Operation North. He was awarded with Ranasura Padakkama. Apart from that, he was awarded the following medals in recognition of his enormous contribution to Sri Lanka Army. Ranasura Padakkama, Uttama Seva Padakkama, Desaputta Sammanaya, East Humanitarian Operation, North Humanitarian Operation Medal, Purnabhumi Padakkama, North and East Operation Medal, Sri Lankan 5th Anniversary Medal, Sri Lankan Armed Forces Ground Services Medal, Liberation Campaign Medal, 50th Independent Anniversary Medal, Seva Vimani Padakkama, Seva Padakkama. The demise of Lieutenant Colonel Asera Pereira has thrown a curtain of gloom. He leaves behind his beloved family members, friends, brother officers, soldiers, and the nation whom he served with dedication